SS Gentleman Dean Alejandro here, and today I'm going to be opening a Rogue Rockateer. I got myself this bad boy or bad girl, I'm not sure yet. I will see how I feel or how they feel about it once we start playing with each other. This I bought myself for my birthday. I wanted to do something special for myself and teach myself a new hobby, and also just create a new outlet. It's been on my bucket list for a really long time, so I decided to go ahead and purchase this myself. The whole kit I got for $200. I did get it online for $150 because Musician's Friend was having 20% off Rocktober coupon / promo code, so I was able to get this whole set for $150, which is pretty awesome, shipping included, even though I live in BFE. So I just wanted to kind of open this for myself to document myself and look back later when hopefully I learn a couple tunes and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. But this isn't going to be like a high definition unboxing video where I'm going to give you every single detail about this product, because realistically I'm a beginner and I do not know. Hopefully, if you're interested in this product, you can at least see it in person a little bit. So this is the Rogue Rockateer box. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open it now. So it's the whole set. It's electric guitar, and it is comes with a couple picks, comes with amp and other things. Now originally I was just gonna buy a guitar. There was a lot of cool used ones and stuff, because I have some of the others gear already. But I really wanted to just start fresh because I felt that I just felt like it was the right thing to do while learning. I didn't want to give myself any excuses like, oh, well, I can't learn because of this or because of that or like anything. So no excuses. All right, so here we go. Don't like throw it in the case. Bad boy. Open you. All right, what else do we got? So it looks like in here we have the whammy bar, and it comes with 3 guitar picks. You can even like see, I know the light's kind of bright. And then here is the cable for the amp. It comes with a guitar strap. And I will do another video, like I said, with the amp and with actually playing it and stuff and testing it. But I don't want to like do way too much at once, you know? All right, so I'm going to open the amp now. And I was going to buy a couple things separately, like I said, but with the deal that was going on with the Musician's Friend, it was I just had to take advantage of it. Guitar Center and a couple of other places have the same exact product, and it was just the standard price. So I really did a lot of comparing. Now, I live in the middle of nowhere, so I can't really just go to a guitar store. So this was my best option. It comes in 3 different colors. I said I wasn't going to see a lot, but I mean, I did a lot of research. So here's the amp. We'll open it. It comes in 3 separate colors, and I really want... A reason I wasn't going to get the set was because I was going to be really stingy with the color that I wanted. Here we go. Then I realized that's what happened when I bought my first guitar, and I played it, but I didn't want to play it like too much because it was so nice. Here's some of the specifications. Yeah, so I decided I will learn first, and then I will decide if I want to be bougie or not. So here it is. All of its glory. I have to undo this thing. So I joined a couple of support beginner guitar groups, and Some people had some really good things to say about this. You know, everyone has their own... Why am I doing this? I should just put it. Everyone has their own style and own stuff. I'm an acoustic person, so I was really surprised that I wanted to go through with getting electric. And I totally forgot until someone posted in a group yesterday that I have Rocksmith. The 2 guitars that I currently have that I like taught myself with, one is super, super cheap, and the other one, like I said, is really nice, but they're both kind of broken. Ooh, I'm unzipping it. So like I said, it's just better to start new. And then here's a little pocket, I think. Looks like the zipper is... Yes, here's a little pocket. All right. Unzip the neck. Unzip a little here. It's unzipped all the way. Okay, it only goes to here, right here. And I feel like I'm getting like super sexual. All right, the reveal. I'm so excited. I've literally... Okay, so when they delivered this, it's been snowing. I'm not really fond of the case at all, but whatever. So it was snowing when they delivered it, and I was like so... Because I bought it for myself for my birthday. And so I had to let it sit and heat up and acclimate. So I've been waiting for a couple days, and this bad boy has just been sitting in the living room. Here you go. I'm not going to tell you what color I got. I'm just going to show you. I want to just like rip it off. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. So this is where the whammy... I also really wanted one that came with a whammy bar because I've always wanted one. So I was just super stoked that that it came with it. I could cry right now, literally. All right, so here we go. You see my light in the back, in the reflection of it. It is beautiful. This is the red burst. There's 3 different kinds. There's the navy one, there's the wine burst, and there's the red burst. I love blue. It's my favorite color. I just didn't really like the navy one, honestly. And the navy didn't have this like flare out. I was going to get the wine burst one, but I wasn't really sure if it was too dark. And I'm really glad that I got this one. I love it. I'm in love with it. So yeah, it's a typical 6-string guitar. I said I wasn't going to spew a lot of stuff about it, but actually, I guess, like I said, I've done a decent amount of research from it. I don't play, like, I've played a couple times in the past, but not really too much. So, yeah, as you can tell, not really too much. Definitely gonna have to tune it and get it up and ready to go, but I will do a video with plugging it into the amp and putting everything else together. I will post a link below of where I got this, or the actual title of it, and the different links. I'm not sure if Musician's Friend is still gonna have this promo going on. However, they do have a lot of good deals. They do have a lot of used gear, depending on what you want to do. But if you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this and watch my little musician journey or whatever I'm going to do, honestly, I may have just got this just to play some 90s covers and just kind of unwind a little bit. Make sure you subscribe and then press that little bell for alerts, and I'll probably be doing a little playlist above. But for now, here we go. Happy birthday to me.